Okay, guys, here I am again. Um, I got to clean up my study area that I had before. This bench tabletop here. I got to disassemble that and move it up front. So I got to take everything else and move it elsewhere. And I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it right now. I've got, well, of course, stacks of books. A cool project that I need to start working on again. Uh, this is a really cool project that I started a long time ago. Uh, I need to get back to that, and I'm going to do a video on that. That is so cool. But later. So I've got all this stuff in here that I need to rearrange. I've got to take this big workbench. It's 4 foot by 8 foot. Yeah, I think that's 4 feet or 3 feet. Now I think it's more like 3.5 feet by 8 feet long. It's heavy. It's got 4x4 frame, 4x4s and 2x4s. So it's a sturdy frame with a 1/2 inch plywood on top. So I need to disassemble that, move it up there, put it in the little cafe area in the back corner, one of those back corners where I had just cleaned up and doing some painting and to clean the carpet. So this will go there, and then on top of this will be a big TV, and then some stuff on the wall behind it. The TV's going to be used for some of the the customers to view a few things on. So I've got to disassemble all this. So once I disassemble this, then my study spot it'll all be gone. Okay. But I did show you the video on the other, in that other building that I've got, in that room where I'm going to be doing my office. So as I work on that office, I'm going to be slowly taking a lot of this stuff, not back in this area here, all along through here, in that storage room up there. Upstairs I've got a bunch of stuff. 2 shelf loads full of electronics test gear and ham radio and CB radio stuff. I got stacks of computer cases, stacks of boxes with electronics parts and computer parts. Every bit of that's going to have to be moved over to the other building. And I'm doing all these projects by myself. I do get a little help here and there from one other person, but I've got a lot to do. So as I go along, as I'm doing this, I'm going to make little videos showing my progress, I guess. But anyway, thank you, and keep up with some of my projects. I'm going to be doing some more. I'm planning on throwing a bunch more on there. I know I've kind of gotten away from that because I've been busy doing other things. But yeah, just stick with me and I'll get some of that done. And thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.